Hi guys, welcome back. Right, this one's just going to be a quick pick. In the vise we have a MkII. How many pins is this? 5 pin. A couple of the guys have done these recently. I thought I'd dig mine out and just pop it for you. Quite easy to open once you get the tension in. Right. Okay, so we just go straight in and have a feel, and I can feel pin 2. Push him down. Pin 3. Pin 1. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5. There we go, these open. Not sure it's worth opening this. I think it's all standard. I think it's some standard pins. Shall we quickly open it? Oh, my pinning board's all covered in locks. Alright, we're going to open this very quickly, and I'm just going to dump them all out on the table. Okay. Okay, so find a doodah. Nice easy doodah. Follower. Might have to trim that a little bit so that the about there, yeah, that'll do. Oh, my follower seems very like it doesn't want to fit. Why is that? Okay, that follower is too big. That's the first time that's happened. Try this hollow one. Might see if that's any smaller. Nope. I don't know if the follower is too big or something's jammed. That looks very small, that follower. That's a very small follower. That is only just going to hold them in, so I'm going to, crap, I don't know where my pinning shoe is. Right, if I let go of this, all the pins are going to fall out. I don't know where my pinning shoe is. Okay, I just have to be very careful with that, because as you can see, for some reason the other followers wouldn't fit. Right, anyway, this looks like this top's been filed. The key pins are standard in 1. It's a very small one in 2, but again it's standard. 3, a very small one. 4, bigger but standard, just the same, and 5 is also standard. Let's get some tweezers and sort them out. Just show you the bitting a little bit. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3. It seems very sticky as well. 4, 5. There's 5. Let's have a look at these. If I can get them out without them all popping out anywhere. Pin 1. It's got jammed. Pin 1 standard. Pin 2. Standard. Pin 3. Oh god, I just lost it all. Okay, I just dropped them all out. 3, 4 and 5 look like there. 3, 4 and 5 are all standard as well. There we go. Mark II. All standard pins. Balanced stacks. Balanced-ish. Not too hard to pick, to be honest. There we go, guys. That's the Mark II. Alright, cheers. See you later.